Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in
The Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC, has directed public sector workers in the country to embark on strike from next Wednesday. This is coming after the union announced that it would shut down the Central Bank of Nigeria for failing to make cash available to Nigerians, causing untold hardship to the citizenry. It will be recalled that the leadership of the NLC had earlier threatened that it would direct workers to stay at home if the federal government failed to resolve the cash crunch and fuel shortage within 7 days. While briefing journalists in Abuja, the president of the NLC, Comrade Joe Ajaero, criticized the cash crisis and pricing irregularities in the petroleum sector. Ajaero directed all the affiliate unions to begin mobilization to ensure total compliance with the proposed shutdown of the Apex Bank. The directive was given at the end of the Central Working Committee's meeting to review the 7-day ultimatum given to the federal government to make cash available to the people.
Cash crunch that was caused by their policy. As at this morning, when the CWC met again to review the situation, we discovered that not much improvement has been made. The situation is still almost the same. People are still buying our currency with our currency. People can still not access the currency. And the government seems to be very adamant on this. No move is being made to reduce the suffering of Nigerians. Consequently, the CWC in session resolved to go into the process of actualizing the 1-week notice we gave. From this week, from Friday, there will be mobilization of all state councils through a NEC meeting. All unions have already been directed to mobilize all their organs and their branches by Wednesday next week. All central bank offices nationwide will be picketed. All central bank from the CBN headquarters will be shut till further notice. Workers are directed to stay at home and join in the picketing exercise. So, comrades, in a nutshell, we felt we should update you and to tell you that mobilization commenced immediately. And when we talk of action from Wednesday, it's total, until further notice.
While expressing its displeasure, the union said the decision to picket CBN branches became necessary as the federal government and CBN have refused to show any commitment to addressing the situation. It lamented that, despite the Supreme Court order allowing the old 500 naira and 1000 naira notes to remain legal tender until December 31st this year, the situation appears to be getting worse as workers cannot access cash to pay fares, to work or buy food for their families. Comrade Ajaero therefore urged Nigerians to bear with the NLC as the action was meant to reduce Nigerian sufferings due to the cash crunch.
Call on Nigerians to understand the circumstances we are operating in. People will be telling you the political situation. The political situation is self-inflicted, and the economic situation is worse than the political situation because people cannot eat. Workers can no longer go to office, and nothing is happening. So we have been pushed to the wall, having given 1 week, and we thought they could address the situation. It is not addressed. We have decided to take our destiny.
Man, with the press their neck to Abuja. 4 people tweeting in a room in the city of Abuja. Oh boy, yeah.
The just concluded 2023 presidential election in Nigeria has proven to be the most spectacular and highly controversial election in Nigeria in the last 23 years since its restoration to democracy. Many have alluded to a highly contested election as a war between the youthful generation and the old politicians. An election that was allegedly laced with religious and ethnic sentiment. Many Nigerians are dissatisfied with the All Progressives Congress APC Muslim ticket.
Some people have made sacrifice with your blood, the blood of your relations. They have stolen your resources, but now we are saying we are taking back our inheritance.
The political parties have failed us. This is not the time to say I am PDP or APC or PNN or APC or whatever the party. This is the time to follow God's agenda. And I have prayed and I have seen that Peter Obi is God's agenda for this hour.
I'm saying, my wife, myself, my children, we are fully obedient.
Many pastors have also openly endorsed and campaigned for the candidates of the Labour Party. They have disapproved of both APC and PDP candidates, despite the current president being a Muslim.
Tó bá jẹ́ tí ìwé ni, mo kàwé o. Tó bá dẹ̀ jọ̀rọ̀ àgbà ni, èmi lẹ̀gbọ́n. Mo ti ń ṣèyí bọ̀. Ọjọ́ ti pẹ́. Ẹgbẹ́ kìíní wá, èmi ló kàn.
On the issue of ethnic identity, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, now elected, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, was known to have championed the Emiloko agenda when propagating that the presidency must return to southwest Nigeria. The Labour Party, which is mainly championed by youth, has Peter Obi as its candidate, which many youth resonate with as someone who will change the course of the nation's trajectory from its present condition. In less than a year, youth across Nigeria mobilized in their millions to create a movement that has now become a force across Africa. While the former Vice President, Atiku Abubakar, plans to hand the country over to a younger generation if elected. According to him, it will focus on the 5 key areas where the APC-led government failed. Areas like security, economy, education, and devolving more resources and powers to the federating units. All of the factors above influenced the voting behavior in the February 25th presidential election, where the Labour Party won in Lagos and Abuja, Nigeria's 2 major urban cities, with 281,717 and 582,454 votes, respectively. The candidates of the Labour Party also won states like Plateau, Taraba, and Abuja in the northern region, which has a predominantly Christian population. APC received its largest numbers of votes from the northwest, which is a predominantly Muslim-populated state, where they earned 41% of the votes cast in the region. The 2023 election had a lot of twists and turns. Over 20 governors lost to the opposition in their state, and the ruling president and president-elect also lost their states, respectively. During the election, 7 governors were defeated in their bids for the Senate.
Seriously?
The election also witnessed a lot of voter suppression, intimidation, electoral violence, vote buying, and institutional failures, as the electoral umpire fell short of the expectations of many Nigerians who had high hopes in the election process with the introduction of beavers and digital uploading of results. Even though Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC has been declared by INEC as the winner, many Nigerians have questioned the legitimacy of the election, as many believed the election was rigged. The The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, and the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party filed a petition at the Presidential Election Tribunal on Tuesday. The petition challenges the February 25th election that announced Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the president-elect.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.